guys, welcome back sa aking tutorial. Today, I will teach you how to burn CD in WAV Music. So you need to convert MP3 to WAV Music. First, you need an netbook or laptop, DVD-RW, ROM, CDR, and printed album art and song list of the artist, scissors and masking tape. Okay, let's start our in your netbook or laptop. Then get your DVD-RW ROM. Get the USB and plug it in the USB hub. Okay. Let's see. Open with this PC. DVD-RW drive. And get your CD. My CD is HP CDR. I get this from Shopee. If you want to get this CD, I will post the store in the screen. This costs 40 pesos. And you will pay also the shipping fee. Okay. This. Get the CD album cover art. Then get this, and the size of this, I wonder what is the right length times dimension, length times width times height. Maybe this is the length, width and height. Okay, the length is 4.7 by 4.7 inch. But in the actual measurement, it is 4.6 and between the 6 and 7. So we will get masking tape. Then put it in the CDR like this and put the CD album art. See, put it in the CD. And the back cover art of the CD size is 5.6 and 4.7. So get the back album cover art. Be careful to pull the cover of the CD. Okay, get again masking tape. A mess. Cut. So this is my strategy in making album cover art and CD album back cover. Put it in the back like this. And get the song list of the artists. So as you can see, the plastic cover. Open the CD. Get the CD and push the button in the BDR RW ROM. Put the CD. Be careful when you put it in the cloth. Right. Alright, this is read by the netbook. Okay, let's go to our Windows Media Player. go to the Windows menu, search Windows Media Player. Here. If you're wondering why this icon shows this, because I press this button. Hide this. Maximize button, or this click switch to library. Pulse maximize. Here I already made an playlist, so it will be easy for me to drag the songs in the drag items here. But if you are wondering how did I do that, I will show you. Go to your music library, or where you save your music, like this. Like this. Open your folder, your music, click, and then Control A, click, play or add to Windows Media Playlist. Then right click, this switch to the library. Did you see the unsaved list? Click and type the corresponding title of the playlist. So if your netbook or laptop is like Dell, like me, Dell 113180, it has no caps lock, then you must use the Windows icon, and then on screen keyboard, drag this if you can see the Windows Media Player, then click unsave list, click the caps lock, B, caps lock again, O, is on, caps lock, like that, and then you can press enter in the laptop or in the on screen keyboard. There. Okay, this is it. So we'll go to my specific playlist. There, click and Control A. Oh, it's already there. You can click or double click also, and click the burn button, then click the select songs, then Control A, press the right or left, and then drag. Sorry. There. As you can see, the time is 33 minutes 52 seconds pre of 80 minutes. And I guess it has 11 songs. All has 11 songs. Click start burn. Wait until it reaches 99%. Don't click cancel button. And later I will teach you how to put album cover art in the CD and back cover art in the CD. Okay, let's cut the video and see the finished product. You can see my CD back cover is smaller than the ideal size of the CD back cover. The size is 5.6 by 4.7 or 4.6 inches. It's alright. I'll make adjustments next time I burn again the CD. Cut it if is fit the CD back cover. Okay. And don't forget to spot the title here. Fill tape marker only. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will get notified with my new videos about tutorial, vlog, and unboxing. So this is the finished product, guys. Okay.